Are your clients' eyes glazing over when you passionately explain financial jargon? So how do you communicate financial information to make sense to people who aren't numbers-minded? Enter visual aids. Studies have shown that 65% of the population identify as visual learners. So a picture might not just be worth 1,000 words, it might also be worth a few prospects and referrals as well. Let's take a look at a few examples of the power of visual aids. Visual aids help the brain store information longer. They make it faster and easier to get information. Visual aids improve comprehension capacity. And they help make boring topics more interesting. These visuals will serve to help clients and prospects understand the worth of financial planning and exactly what it is you offer as a company. Poorly chosen visuals can cause frustration and make your audience feel isolated and out of the loop. On top of that, if your visuals you post to your social media platforms don't match your brand, colors, fonts, and visual styles, it looks like the information came from someone else, potentially undermining your credibility or professionalism. Adding visuals can help you lose the jargon, connect with your audience, and appear as a trustworthy knowledge source who can make the intimidating world of financial planning easy. Here at Knack Collective, we get it too. Let us help you make visuals more simple.